How to download and play GTA Vice City on PC for free. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can download and play GTA Vice City on PC for free. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Unfortunately, GTA Vice City is not officially available for free. If you download it for free from some unofficial sources, it is considered privacy, which is both illegal and risky for some reasons such as malware and viruses, not supported updates, legal consequences, and unstable gameplay. But if it is being offered as free promotions by the game's developers, Rockstar Games, or any authorized distributor, you can play or get that for free. Now, the legitimate way to play GTA Vice City is for free is to wait for promotions. Rockstar Games or platforms like Epic Game Stores occasionally give away games for free, so you have to keep an eye out for those deals. Or some game platforms offer free trial versions or discounts that make it more affordable. And the services like Xbox Game Pass or PC or PlayStation Plus occasionally include older games in their library. So if that is available, you can check GTA Vice City. Now, if you want to pay some money and download and use the GTA Vice City game, here is how you can do it. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open the Rockstar Games. So go to the rockstargames.com, and once you're here, now you have to download the launcher. So click on Get Launcher at the top right corner and download it for your Windows. Now follow the on-screen instructions to install the launcher. Once installed, open the launcher. Now if you already have the Rockstar Social Club account login, if not, create a new account. Then you have to go to store section of the launcher and search for GTA Vice City and purchase it, which is often available at a discount price. Once purchased, download the game by clicking install. After the installation, launch the game from My Library tab and you can play the GTA Vice City in your laptop. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.